Hi guys, so we are going to go over lesson 15-2, make halves and fourths of square and circles. So this first one, as you can see, is a square, and it is divided into two equal parts. There's an equal part right here, and there's an equal part right here. So we are going to be making halves. So I am going to shade in one of these halves. So I'm going to shade in this side. Oh, I'm going to shade this in. And now, as you can see, there is one shaded part out of two equal parts. And there's also one unshaded part out of two equal parts. That gives you 1/2. So we just cut this into halves. So there's one part out of two equal parts that is shaded, and then there's one part out of two equal parts that is not shaded. So that gives you 1/2 of this square. All right, let's try another one with this circle. So we have 1/2 right here, and then we have 1/2 right here. And both of these halves make a whole, or make one. So I'm going to shade in one of these halves. I'm going to shade it in right here, this half. And so now that you can see, there is one shaded part out of two equal parts. So these are two equal parts, right? So there's one shaded part out of two equal parts, and there's one unshaded part out of two equal parts. So this is the unshaded part, and then we have our shaded part. So that shows us that this is half of a circle. It is 1/2 is shaded and 1/2 is unshaded. Now we're going to work with fourths. So as you can see, there's 4 equal parts in this square. We have 1/4. I'm going to make that a little smaller. We have 1/4 right here. We have 1/4 right here. We have 1/4 right here. And then we have 1/4 right here. So if I were to shade in 1/4 of this square, I'm going to shade in this one right here. So now, as you can see, there is one shaded part out of 4 equal parts that gives you 1/4 that is shaded. And then we have 3/4 that are unshaded, because we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3/4 that are unshaded. So we have 1/4 is shaded out of 4 equal parts, because all of these parts are equal. So we have 1/4 that is shaded out of 4 equal parts. So that's where we get our 1. You can see there's 1 shaded, and then there's 4 equal parts in this square. So that gives us 1/4. Now we are going to make 1/4 with a rectangle. So I want you guys to draw this rectangle out, and I want you to make 4 equal sections in this rectangle. And you're going to do your best, because I'm going to try to do my best making these equal. I'm going to do a line right there, a line right there, and a line right there. Let me try that one again. Line right there, a line right there, and a line right there. So they're to proportion. You know, I'm trying to make them all equal. All right, so I just made 4 equal parts, or tried to make 4 equal parts in this rectangle. So this is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. And then this is 1/4 of your rectangle. So I want you to color in, or shade in, 1/4 of this rectangle. Go ahead and do that now. So I hope that you drew this out and you wrote these out with your equal parts. So go ahead and shade in 1/4. So I'm going to shade in 1/4 of this rectangle. So now, as you can see, there is one shaded part out of 4 equal parts, or that gives you 1/4. So one shaded part out of 4 equal parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives us 1/4, right? All right, we're going to do one more with this circle. We are going to do halves. So I'm going to cut it in half. So our circle was a whole, and now we're going to cut them into 2 equal halves. So we have 1/2 over here and 1/2 over here. And I want you to shade in, so I want you to draw this on your paper. I want you to shade in one of the halves. So I'm going to shade in this one or color it in. So as you can see now, we shaded in one of the 2 equal parts, or 1/2. And there's also, if we talked about our unshaded or not colored in, we have one of the 2 equal parts that is unshaded also. So if you think of a pizza and you cut it in half, then you are going to have 2 equal parts. So if you take one slice of the pizzas away, then you've taken one of the 2 equal slices of pizza, and now you have 1/2 of a pizza. So that's just the same. You could think of this circle as a pizza, and that is showing you that 1/2 is shaded and 1/2 is not shaded out of the 2 equal parts that we made in this circle. And then same with our fourths. We have 4 equal parts, and we shaded in one of the 4 equal parts. So that gave us 1/4 was shaded in for our square. All right, so I hope that helped you guys with halves and fourths. I will see you guys later. Bye.